I have spent my life challenging the status quo, particularly around women and girls. I have spent the last 9 years working on different solutions for indoor air pollution-related diseases. That's the challenge. How do we take that grandmother off the fire and give an alternative, culturally relevant solution? I grew up in an entrepreneurial home, and the policy was, don't ever say no, make a plan. Our bags are made up of repurposed foam. I started in a garage with 3 women. We now employ 2,000. Over 1 million Wonderbags have been distributed since I started in 2008. A social entrepreneur is somebody who is taking on the challenges that the world faces today and leaving the world a better place for future generations. Every individual, whether you live in South Africa or any other country in the world, has a responsibility to make a difference. I've just always been a social freedom fighter, I suppose.